Hello guys, and welcome to today's project of making banana jam. The ingredient list is in the description. I guess you are here because you love bananas or bananas. Well, whatever it is, this delicious long yellow fruit. Why not make it into a jam to enhance the flavor even more so that you can enjoy it with some crumpets, English muffins, cupcakes, pancakes, or even waffles. I will show you that this is more than just banana puree or mashed bananas. In this process as well, I'm going to show you how I keep that nice bright yellow color even after cooking the bananas. Smooth and rich banana jam, here we come. Let's begin. First thing you will need, of course, is some bananas.
Banana.
Choose some ripe ones, but not overripe ones. The overripe ones, save that for your banana bread or smoothies. In a large pot, put in 1 kilo of bananas. Next, pour in 70 grams of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice will help in keeping the color and preventing the bananas from turning brown. After that, pour in 70 grams of fresh passion fruit juice. The passion fruit juice is to help give that secondary, fresh tropical flavor and to help mask the flavor of cooked bananas, transforming it to taste fresh and vibrant. You will be surprised by how much this helps. Take the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to low. Let that sit there to heat up. In the meantime, measure out 500 grams of sugar. You might think that this is a lot, but after all, we are making jam here. The high sugar content will help in preserving the jam over a long period, but with such a delicious jam as this, I don't think you would want to store it for too long. Next thing is my favorite ingredient, which is of course pectin powder. Pectin powder is a natural thickening agent found most especially high in apples, citrus like lemons, limes and oranges. This is optional, but it helps in giving the jam some dimension. Measure out 20 grams. Mix that into the sugar. Doing this helps to dissolve it better into the mixture and to avoid lumps. Take this over to the bananas and pour in half of the sugar pectin mixture in. Use a whisk to mix and break everything down. Keep breaking it down while the bananas start to cook. Pour the rest of the sugar pectin mixture in. While whisking, if you see some unwanted black parts of the banana, take it out. Don't forget to keep on whisking. We want it to boil for at least 5 minutes to activate the pectin. Make sure to keep the mixture moving. We don't want the bottom to burn. After it has boiled for 5 minutes, take a large bowl and place a sieve on the top. This is optional, but I want a smooth jam. You can of course leave it chunky. If you're going to sieve it, this is best done while it's still hot. This will take some time, but it is worth the effort. Also, while sieving, you might get some banana guts or seeds. Keep going until all of the jam has been sieved. Don't forget to scrape the back of the sieve. Just look at that. This is what I ended up with in terms of what I don't want to keep in the jam, but you can of course use that in your smoothies or banana bread. It's nice, yellow, smooth and pure. Let's have a taste. Whoa, it's still hot, but that is delicious. Pour this into a container. Place some cling film over the top. Make sure the cling film touches the surface. This will help in preventing a skin from forming on the surface. Place it in the fridge to set. I can't wait until it is set and cold. In the meantime, while waiting, do check out my other jam videos on my channel. The next day, let's take the jam out of the fridge. Peel back the cling film. It has set nicely where we can draw a line and it stays. I decided to toast some crumpets. Spread a generous amount, and I mean generous. I'm going to have a bite. Give it a moment to kick in. Damn, that's really good. I love bananas, and this was like eating 10 bananas packed into one bite. Warm crumpet, rich, smooth and bright banana jam. What a way to have breakfast. This is genuinely making me smile on the inside while eating this. After I finished that crumpet, I decided to live a little. I got some waffles. I did mention to you that you can also enjoy this with some waffles. I am also happy that the waffles have these little squares to hold more jam. Let's have a bite. This is it, guys. You have to try this. I was making so much noise in the kitchen and Jessica could smell the warm waffle, so she came over. There you have it, guys. Homemade banana jam. Easy to make, even easier to eat it all. If you enjoyed that, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would try banana jam. Don't forget to subscribe for more jam videos and we shall see you in the next one. In the meantime, I'm going to have some more jam to eat. Until next time, bye for now.